Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is our vocabulary class, and in this class we learn new words, new vocabulary as usual. If you have not seen previous video, please go and check out all the videos based on vocabulary Wortschatz. I have made separate playlist now for the vocabulary only. If you want to improve vocabulary, just go to the playlist. I will send the link below in the description and watch all the vocab videos. So let's start with today's class. Wortschatz, first word beschäftigt sein, to be busy, like you say I am busy now. Ich bin beschäftigt. Sein means you will use the verb sein. Ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist. Ich bin beschäftigt, I am busy. Du bist beschäftigt, you are busy, simple. Der Bereich, Bereich means zone, your horizon, okay, zone or your domain. Like in welchem Bereich arbeiten Sie, in which sector, in which domain you work. So here also Bereich, domain, zone, sector, der Bereich. Futter, Futter is food for the animal. Das Essen für Tiere. Okay, Tieressen. We also say Tieressen means food of the animal. Das Futter. Das Futter. Animal, when animal eats something we say Futter. We are eating Essen. Animal, Futter. There is Stall. Stall is a place where animal live. वो Tiere leben. वो Tiere, Tier means animal. Tiere leben. Okay, house. The house von Tiere. The house of animal. They live at a particular place. It's a stall. Der Stall. Remember this word, der Stall. Very important word. Der Umgang. Umgang means to deal with the people. Kontakt haben. Kontakt mit den Menschen. Umgang mit den Menschen. It takes preposition mit. Dative. Okay, Umgang mit den Menschen. There is also verb umgehen, to deal with the people, public dealing. Ich gehe mit den Menschen Okay, I work as a customer care. Suppose I work as a customer executive, so I deal with the people. Ich gehe mit den Menschen Okay, ich gehe mit den Menschen So that is also verb. Gehorchen means to obey, to follow what another person is saying. Machen, was andere Person sagt. Machen, was andere Person sagt. Do what other person say. Gehorchen, to follow, to obey. There is also adjective gehorsam. Gehorsam means obedient. You can make adjective out of it. Gehorsam, like you say somebody is gehorsam. Somebody is very obedient. He obey, he follow the instruction given by other. Reinigen means to clean. I clean the board. Reinigen, sauber machen. Reinigen, another word, sauber machen. Okay, to make clean. Reinigen. Reinigen, sauber machen, to clean. Now, another side. Unterwegs sein. Unterwegs sein, on the way. Okay, you are on the way. You are going to meet up. Going to meet the friends. You are on the way. Ich bin unterwegs. Unterwegs sein means, again use the verb sein. Sein means you have to use this verb. Unterwegs sein. Alright, so if I say ich bin unterwegs, I am on the way, that's it. Okay, so unterwegs sein means on the way. Ich bin unterwegs, ist unterwegs. Mein Freund ist unterwegs. Okay, he is on the way today. He might be going to meet up. He is going to meet with their friends. So, ist unterwegs. Next is verschwinden. Verschwinden means to disappear. To disappear. Wegmachen, weggehen, to go away. Weggehen, we also say weggehen, disappear. Weggehen, to go away. Or verschwinden. Ist verschwunden, when we make perfect tense, ist verschwunden, I change into you. I change into you. Okay? Ist verschwunden, and anfassen. Anfassen means when you touch something with the hand. When you touch something with the hand, anfassen. Berühren mit der Hand. Touch is berühren. Look at this verb, to touch. Berühren. Berühren mit Hand. Berühren, to touch, like this. Touch. Anfassen. Touch a screen, berühren. Okay? Berühren. Then monitor. Berühren. Touch. Anfassen, separable verb. And Schwein haben, it's a saying. Schwein haben means Glück, to have good luck. Schwein haben. Ich habe Schwein. I have good luck. Du hast Schwein. It's a saying, Schwein haben, to have good luck. And then the Zeichen means symbol. The Zeichen, we have read this word Zeichen, Sternzeichen, sunshine. Zeichen means symbol, any kind of symbol, any type of symbol you see on the road, you see at home, on the box, on the label. Zeichen haben, to have a symbol. Ich verstehe das Zeichen, I understand this symbol. Ich verstehe das nicht, I don't understand. That's all in this today's class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.